hello guys, here's my other friend. He very much loves Mario and he's amazing. His name is and here's my friend. His name is Jovan, but he told me yesterday that he want to unalive himself to call him Jovan.
Mario!
And he very
I said
much
Mario.
like Mario, but he like to name be Mario. Here's my other friend, my brother, my friend, and there's his guy that has a little bit problems, and there's the swing that he swing yesterday, and now we live in Macedonia, in city Skopje, and we are gonna go. And this guy has a little bit autic problems. That's why he's telling you that you're guys fat, but you're not guys fat. You're the most amazing
This is my
person,
friend. This is my friend.
you will live.
Look, guys.
And please don't say in the comments North Macedonia, but you're very amazing. If you like and subscribe,
Because the real name of that
because the real name of this country, but Macedonia is just Macedonia, not North Macedonia. And bye.